So Dr. Joe, having some pain in my back from sitting at a desk so long, but I also feel the pain in my lower back and soreness, and I just wanted to know how to treat.
So people sitting too long and then start feeling pain, the lower back pain. The most common reason can be the psoas muscle, hip flexor muscle getting too tight and short. So when you see this anatomy here, let's go over the self-release using ball. Nico, I'm gonna release your hip flexor to release your back tension. This is a type of myofascial release. Myo is muscle, and then fascia is the sheath, connective tissue sheath covering your muscles. Fascia also covering your organs, and then nerves, and then tendons, sheath. Those are all fascia. Yeah. You have a little tension there. You have a little tension, yes. So before going to the psoas muscle, psoas is a little deep inside, so I gotta go deep. Before going there, I'm gonna little release your myofascia around your stomach. So muscle is separate each other. Fascia is one unit. It's a web shape, and then going everywhere in your body. It's wrapping around the muscles, organs, blood vessels, everywhere, and then it's a one unit. Yeah, so one area have a tightness that's pulling another area. Yeah. Then you bend your knees both, bridge position, then the stomach tension is a little decreasing. I'm gonna go a little deep into your psoas muscles, so breathing with your, deep breathing with your nose, stomach breathing, yeah, and then relax. Yeah, the tight area is gonna be a little achiness. You're gonna feel a little deep achiness. Yeah, and then you can just do regular breathing and then, try to relax. Yeah. So when I do the myofascial release, I give a certain proper pressure, and then I just relax and feel how your tissues are moving. Yes, and then I'm a little feeling it, and then a little follow. Yeah, follow. Yeah. I'm releasing your psoas muscle, but I'm also releasing your myofascia around there, yeah. And then I just keep release the tension. Our music is really good.
No, but I feel
helpful. Yeah.
like my face and my upper body releasing too.
Yeah, I felt you had some tension there. Yeah, just keep feeling how's your connective tissue responds with my pressure, and just following. Yeah. Then it's slowly going deeper and deeper. Yeah. I'm gonna go a little downwards. I usually hold it until I feel tension release, about 70%, more than 70%. Yeah. Usually tight area has a poor circulation and congestion. Yeah. So this is also increase your blood circulation. Yeah. There's a
I feel my back releasing. That's so crazy.
Yeah, quite tension there. but the summer released maybe 65%. Yeah.
Wow.
Stomach breathing with your nose. Yeah, breathe in and then hold there a few seconds until you feel, as long as you feel comfortable, and then.